Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. We're setting up for our first trade of the day. I just want to show you that we've got all three markets going here. We've got the oil market going, we've got the gold market, and the ES. The one closest, and oil is where we're setting up on a trade. There's the oil market. Yeah, and we filled. We filled real quick on that. We're going long on the ES from. We had support identified, and wow, wow, that was fast. Well, traders, it was one of the 10 tick stop ones. That's the only good news on that one. But boy, that one turned quick. And yeah, that thing just dropped right down out of us. Okay, we're going to try again here now. Now we're on the ES, and we're looking to go long. You can take a look at some of those bars on how those markets came down. Gold didn't, but the others came down relatively quickly. But we're going for the ES. We've got a support level identified at 1350. For all you ES traders there, we hit our price in there. We got filled. Okay. So we're going long on the ES, and the ES is a little different. We go 4 ticks and 8 ticks on the ES. So the first profit target is going to be 4 ticks. And these are the trades, I'm trying to record all the trades I take in the Trade Precision trading room. I try to call them all out. Mario, lets me know the ones if I miss them, and he helps out. So between a couple of us, we're getting the trades in. You'll notice some of the traders, if you come into the room, that they're doing some other markets. Once you learn the methodology, I'm 1 tick away. It's a story of my life. Once you learn the system, the methodology, you can use it on many different markets. Now, been in this trade for a while now with not a whole lot of movement. We can't quite get our 1 point. We're 1 tick away again, and we'll see if we get it now. As I was saying, when you learn the methodology, you can use it on many different markets. So if you come in, you'll see the chat. And one of the things we do is we don't censor the chat at all. We post all the trades in the room. There's at my price. Come on, let's get filled. $50. Let's do this one. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're filled. All right, so we'll move, and you'll notice that it, how good we were on picking that support level. It came to within, came right to the price and turned right at the price. And we had our order in early, so we're the ones that got filled. It got to that price a couple times, but we were one of the ones that got filled on that. So right now we're 1 for 2 on the trades so far we've taken Thursday morning. The room will be closed on Friday with the holiday, so we wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Stop trading, Giles, and start thinking about what you're doing here. And we're still hanging here, trying to get this last one filled, and it's not, for 2 points. And you should look at just some of the bars there. On the there we got stopped out. Boy, look at that thing. It just dropped like a rock. So we got one filled, and the second one we didn't fill. So that was an ES trade, and we'll see. We got one setting up pretty quick now in gold. So we'll probably get a gold setup. And yep, there we are. I thought that one was setting up in gold. And it's a little bit hard sometimes to monitor it, but we'll get down to that. There we got filled right away, and that's set up. And look at this. This is moving pretty quick. This one on gold, it's moving pretty quick. We've only been in what would have been in it 15-20 seconds, and we've hit our first profit target. That's what you like about Trade Precision. And look at that. It came right to our price. And we filled right away. And we're moving real close towards our second profit target. Just that quick, traders. Was that 20 seconds or something like that to get the first one? And that's precision. We know, we determine support and resistance, and we're usually very, very accurate. Yeah, and I did move my stop to 1 tick below. And now we're running up towards this, and we're filled already on that. Well, that's pretty awesome. So now we've had 3 trades. 2 of them have been successful, and the first one, we took a bath on. was successful on getting to the first profit target. The second one made it to the second profit target too. So, you know, the trading room is open Monday through Friday. It's open from about 9 o'clock Eastern Time to 2:30. After 2:30, Mario works with the people that own the system, and we go over any questions they had of the trades of that day, and we'll go over other markets too if they're interested in that. Whatever you people that own the system, we strongly want you to get it. You know, it's an honest way to trade in the markets, and we'll spend the time afterwards in the room to make sure that you understand it. It's starting to get a little later in the day, and I just wanted to put this chart up. I've got the gold. We've got a gold trade setting up. Oh no, excuse me. I'm sorry. This is an oil trade. This is oil and the ES. I've got both up there, and the primary reason is to show you. There, we got filled already on the oil trade. Gosh, saying gold. It's been a hard day today. Profitable day, but a hard day. The reason I want to show you is you just see, you know, the ES has traded 5 points, which is, you know, $250, and we get bars on oil that are $250. You know, so it's just that's why we're looking at the other markets. We do have our stops in place. You know, I mean they could get blown through, but we've been very good at not getting them blown through, and we're usually pretty good on our and we have a methodology. You know, if it's taking a while for it to get through, or we could tighten the stops real quickly, and in the room we tighten them. You know, we tighten them anyway. But you know, here we're filled. We're looking for a short on oil at this time. We picked the resistance level, and you can see it. You know, it went what 4 ticks above it. Like that it's just awesome. You know, the way we pick the true support and true resistance on any market. Okay, we've been in this trade a little while now, but you know, not even 5 minutes, and we're getting close to getting our first profit target. Let's see if we can get it here now. Like I said, the room will be open 9 to 2:30. We have some. We're doing all we can. There we go. We got filled. We're doing a lot to encourage people to come to the room. We give a 5-day free trial. There you see I move my stop to 1 tick above, you know, what was the swing high or the pivot area, and we really want to, you know, work with you people to get you to be the best traders possible. We're getting down close now. You know, hopefully we'll fill on this second profit target, and it'd be 10 and 20. Traders that own the system, you know, can trail the stop and make even more on it. If you take a look at our recap table, there we got filled. All right, that's nice. If you take a look at our recap table, what I was going to say, you'll see that the maximum profit potential, and traders that are in the room can get that, can shoot for that. They don't have to stop at 20. Now we're setting up for a gold trade, and you know, you want to show you like the range that the gold is run compared to the range that the ES is run, and we're looking for a long setup here now in gold. You know, gold has run, you know, what's that, you know, $400, and the ES has run, and this is you know, a quicker trade, so we're only going for 5 ticks on the first profit target on this one. Because of where the trade comes from, and as you learn the system, you'll understand why. It has a lot to do with the time frames that we're trading. You know, I'd say that. You know, so on a tighter time frame, you know, we're going with a smaller stop and smaller profit, and we're 1 tick away. One tick away from that first profit target. Come on. It's just kind of like sitting there, and then we got filled. That's great. And it turned right at our price, So I've got my stop now set right at the right one tick below our price. You know, and we're trying for 10 ticks on this trade. But once you know the system, you can use it on any market, any time frame. There we go. We got stopped out. We had a trader in the room yesterday who's trading the silver market on a very short time frame, and it's pretty amazing the results that he's getting. Okay, it's a little after 1 in the afternoon, and we failed on the gold going long, and now we're setting up for one going short, just that quickly. It's 5 or 6 minutes later. We're looking to go because we had that quick run down in gold. Now we're looking for a possibility for it to possibly set up a resistance level and run down. Excuse me about that. I'm not really that tired, traders, but it has been a busy day in the room. And look at that. We've got one filled, and the second one didn't fill, and we're one tick away there. We got both of them filled now. That's something. With two contracts, we got one, and then it took a little while for the second one. I hadn't seen that in a long time. That's pretty impressive. But it does happen. And those of you who trade multiple contracts, in some of these markets that may not be or may be thinly traded, you may want to think about that. But I was going to say about the recap table, it's posted on our blog, and those are all the trades we take in the room. We post on the recap table. It's on an Excel spreadsheet, and if you guys have trouble reading that, send me an email and I'll send you a screenshot of it. Okay, and maybe what I'll do is every other time I'll do a screenshot. That'll be a good way to do it. If I do a screenshot and then do an Excel table, screenshot Excel table or something like that. So, and maybe then more people can view what we're doing with our recap. We're getting down close. We're 2 ticks away from our first profit target on this one. Like I said, the room's going to be closed on Friday, but we'll be open again 9 o'clock on Monday morning. Yeah, we're just 2 ticks away. We just can't quite get filled. Let's see. 1 tick away now. Let's see if this thing is going to fill. If it is, we'll move our stop down, customarily. And like I was saying, traders that own the system, there we got filled. That's great. Another winning trade. Traders that own the system, they can do things. And then we'll move it 1 tick above my swing high there. They can trail stops. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. And we'll help you with that. And we can also trade at many different markets. And now we're getting close to that second profit target. So that would be 10 and 20 on this trade. So I'll let you guys do the math, but it's a fairly good way. And I think we're getting up towards it's getting to be 1:30 or something like that, 2 o'clock. I think we might call it a day, in the room. We've had a very good day. We had a couple trades go for the second profit target, 20, 40, 60, and if this one goes, that's a real nice day in the room. Real nice day in the room. If you take a look at this, it's hit my price a couple times. You can see I'm 1 tick above it. It's hit my price a couple times, and we can't quite fill. Hit it again just right there. We need this thing to fill so we can be done. There, we got filled. Okay. Hey, all you guys, have a happy Easter, and we'll look for you Monday morning, bright and early, 9 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Trade Precision. Any questions, give us a call.